Welcome. Look at the question we have on the board. Given that sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 over 4, find sec theta plus tan theta. In order to solve this trigonometric equation or question, we must remember some trigonometric identities. Now, if you inspect the question closely, you will realize that we have sec in the question and we have tan. These are the only two trig identity we have in the question. So there are some trigonometric identities that we'll be using here. The first one that should come to mind is over the reciprocal of cos theta will give us sec theta. This identity, they are in your four-figure table. You don't need to cram it if you don't know it offhand right now. Now, another identity we need is sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. Now, the last one is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. These are the three identities that we'll be using in order to get the answer to that question. Now, what is the next thing we have to do? From what we have in the question, we are going to divide, let me number this, 1, 2, and 3. If you look closely, we see that if I divide this third identity by cos theta, cos squared theta, we are going to be obtaining something that has sec inside this equation. Now let's do that. Now from the third, this one here, if I divide through by cos squared theta, let me divide through by cos squared theta. So I'm going to have sin squared theta over cos squared theta plus cos squared theta divided by cos squared theta, and this gives me 1 over cos squared theta. Good. Now with this, I told you that, look at this second identity, sin theta over cos theta is tan theta, right? So this one becomes tan squared theta plus this cancels out, it gives me 1. Again, look at this, 1 over cos theta is sec theta. Therefore, 1 over cos squared theta will give me sec squared theta. Let me get some space. Now, from what I have here, I can rewrite it. I can write this 1 is equal to sec squared theta minus tan squared theta. I only took this tan squared theta to where sec squared theta is, so that's what I have here. Now with what I have here, I can rearrange it. I can decide to put 1 here. Anyhow I write it, it's still the same thing. Sec squared theta minus tan squared theta is 1. I'm still saying the same thing. I've not changed anything. I only changed, this one is now on the right side, this one on the left, but it's essentially the same thing. Now, from this idea, whenever you have something like this, difference of two squares, difference of two squares, difference of two squares. What is difference of two squares? When you have something like this, a squared minus b squared is the same thing as a into a. That's difference of two squares. So from that idea of difference of two squares, what are we going to have here? That means this is difference of two squares. This is a square, this is a square. So what we are going to have will be sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus theta equal to 1. Now from the question, we are told that sec is 1 over 4. Therefore, we are going to substitute that into this equation. So 1 over 4 is equal to 1. Now, with this on rating, we are gradually getting to the answer. So sec theta plus tan theta divided by 4, because if 1 over 4 multiplies this is what we are going to have. So our final answer will be 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer is 4. Thank you. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. If something is not clear, let me know so that we clarify it. So until the next video where we solve another question, cheers.